Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage out of paper. First, gather your essential materials. You will need green paper in various shades, a pair of sharp scissors, and some craft glue. A ruler and a pencil are also helpful for achieving precise cuts and folds. Using different greens will give your paper cabbage a more realistic and appealing depth, making your creation truly stand out. Now, let's begin with the basic folding. Start by cutting several circles from your green paper. Vary their sizes from small to large. Take each paper circle and fold it in half, then fold it in half again. This creates a quarter circle shape. Gently crease these folds to form the foundational leaf shapes for your paper cabbage, preparing them for assembly. Next, we will assemble the cabbage. Begin by taking your smallest folded circles and positioning them at the very center. Apply a small amount of glue to the base of each folded leaf and attach them around this central point, ensuring they slightly overlap. Continue this process, gradually adding the larger leaves outwards, building up the full, rounded form of your beautiful paper cabbage. For the finishing touches, gently curl the edges of some of your outer leaves using your fingers or a pencil. This adds wonderful texture and realism. Remember to use lighter green paper for the inner leaves and darker shades for the outer ones to enhance the visual depth. Feel free to experiment with different paper types or even add a stem for a truly unique paper cabbage creation. Enjoy your crafting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.